Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we are going to do these 3 hairstyles. Welcome to my video guys. So first of all, I'm going to start by moisturizing the hair, spraying water. So when you spray water, it will be easier to comb through and it will just help it to detangle and it will lessen breakage. And then I'm going with the wax just to rub the wax so that the hair will shine and jam very well. And then I'm going to do cornrow. So if you don't know how to do cornrow, you can go ahead and use a rubber band method, which we are going to do in future. So you can go ahead and do a rubber band method, or you can do a flat twist just like that. It doesn't need to be perfect, it doesn't need to be very neat, but it just needs to be reasonable and presentable. So whatever that you are doing, just spray water so that your hair will not break a lot and it will not detangle. Then I'm going with the nail brush just to brush through, and I am cornrowing guys. It's very easy to cornrow. Anyone can do this hairstyle. Anybody can do this hairstyle. So we are just going to do 4 lines there. So if you don't know how to do this, once again I said go with the rubber band method, or you just put your wax and you tie with the rubber band, or you do your flat twist. So I'm on the middle guys. So to measure your middle, just use your nose guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, just consider subscribing. If you check, you can see that we have been a lot of hairstyles. So this channel is promising to bring a lot of content which you will learn from. So don't forget to subscribe, be part of this family, and do not let this beautiful face to be your last time to see it again. So if you subscribe, don't forget to press a notification bell so that whenever I post new hairstyle, you just get notified. Thank you. So I'm going and cornrowing just like that. Then after cornrowing, I'll go to the other side, cornrow, and I'll tie at the back and use mallet twist. So guys, just keep watching. The video is self-explanatory. So we have 3 natural hairstyles for black women. It's time to look cute. We're going to look cute under budget. We're going to save. So for those who want to know the price of mallet twist, I bought it in New Look stores. Those who are in SA, I bought it in New Look stores. It's a kinky or a mallet hair, and I bought it 150 something rands, of which you can use it for the whole month even to continue onwards. So it's very affordable. It's very affordable. So in this hair, again, it can go even without a kink twist. You can just buy your wax or your dreadlock gel, then you just put and you just tie your hair and leave it like that. Go natural. That is if your hair is longer enough. So guys, just continue watching. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. Bye. wakasenga mutoro, yeah. Usadudutse unoshika, padiki uchienta, Mwari wayatumira numbe, yeah. Rando rwacho runoremba, yeah. Wakasenga mutoro, usadudutse unoshika, padiki uchienta, Mwari wayatumira numbe, yeah.
Kana ikashika nguva, Mwari wachatumira numbe.